In this tutorial, we're going to make a menu and we're going to be using Quark, a program the school doesn't want. So open up a new file, call it Aurora tutorial, going to fit it into the screen. I'm going to put a black overlay just because I'm trying to match it a little bit, use registration black. Now I'm going to take the type tool, I'm going to highlight and drag about 3.5 inches because I want a half an inch gap just so the font doesn't run into each other. Give a little bit of space. And there we go. And now I'm going to do it with the other one. Alright, now all I'm going to do is just shrink it down because I don't want it going over because, there we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, now that I got my type boxes, I'm going to create a character sheet, call it the header, menu header, give it Lucinda Grand, give it about 24 points, make it white, and everything else looks pretty good. I'm going to do a paragraph style sheet. I'm going to call it the menu list, and I'm going to just fix my tabs, give it a half an inch, and I'm going to set it align about 3.5. I'm going to switch that to 3.5 inches. Now I got that done. I'm going to create another character style sheet, call it the menu list. What should I use? I think I'm going to use a Mini and Pro actually, so I'm going to scroll back up just for right now for the demo. Make it black, or make it white. And now I'm going to start typing. So now I'm just going to type in soup and click on, and there we go. It got big to what I wanted, and I'm going to give it a colon. And I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to start typing. So I'm going to click on my menu list in my character style, and I'm going to click on the list in the style sheet, and gotta click on both. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to type is butternut squash soup, and now I'm going to hit tab, and I got all the periods. And now I'm just going to type in some different other soups, not really that important. Hit tab and start writing a price. Hit enter and keep doing that a couple more times, just coming up with different soup ideas. And just gonna add maybe one more different soup just to move on. Alright, that should be enough. Now I'm gonna go into the character style sheet and I'm gonna change the size to size 9, and I'm going to just do this because I want a description of the different menus, so I'm going to call it description just for consistency, keep it in menu. So now I'm going to start writing a little description of the different kinds of soup. I'm going to start typing that there, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see, and I'm going to undo the tab, and now I'm going to go into the edit paragraph style for the description, do a format, and I'm going to give it 1/8 of an inch first line indent. And after hitting OK, I just click on the description tab, and now all I have to do is just start typing everything up. And now I'm just going to highlight it and click on the description. So I'm just going to keep doing that. It doesn't really matter what I'm writing. It's just I'm just showing you that these style sheets are very important and actually save you a lot of time. And once you figure out how to get it properly set up, it's actually a lot easier and saves you a lot of time. Just highlight and click and hit tab, start typing. I'm already in the description section, so I don't have to highlight. And there you go. It's just that simple. And now I'm going to type in appetizers. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click on, click the wrong thing. Click on menu list, and I'm going to click on menu header. There we go. Now it's so big. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to start typing some appetizers. And now I'm just going to repeat the process with the same thing that I did in the soups. And now you just repeat the process. Hit the descriptions on everything and type what's in it. So I'm just going to write in a couple of random different ingredients and just to try to fill out the space. And typing all this food is actually starting to make me pretty hungry, so I'm going to try to just hurry up and just fill out some space. Chicken wings definitely sounds good. end up with a menu looking like this. Mine's blue, but just for legibility. So this is pretty much the simple way to make a menu in Quark. And I hope you learned something, and I hope they bring Quark back to the school.